Everyone, myself Siddheshwar and I am here to share my success story at CMTI. I have graduated as a civil engineering from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Bidar. After my graduation, I decided to come. After my graduation, I took suggestion from seniors and also from our HOD sir, and they suggested me to go to take CMTI for practical to gain practical knowledge. Then after coming here, at the beginning they taught me how to prepare CV and also how to update our LinkedIn account, how to be connected with experts from industries of construction, and afterwards construction experts like Natarajan sir, who has more than 35 years of experience, taught me a sequence of construction, reading of drawings. After teaching reading of drawings, he made us to visit site where we did marking of 49 columns, and also he taught about Q and quantity analysis and material calculation. And after that, we visited a site at BGRT Bangalore, which requires a special permission to go inside that green building. So I would like to thank Ashok sir for taking a special permission and making us to visit green building. Then after visiting green building, we also went to a Bhima Jewellers where interior was done. And Vamshi sir taught us about project planning and disciplines in constructions, and also Primavera. Then Anand sir taught us about interiors, like what all are their interiors: wardrobe, about crockery unit, puja unit, and also about terrace gardening. And Gandhi sir taught us about Google SketchUp. So after learning all this, I went to an interview in one of the good corporate company, and after three rounds, I got selected in a good corporate company. So I would like to thank Engineer Ashok sir, Deepashri ma'am, Shweta ma'am and Hashita ma'am for making me successful. Thank you.